Welcome to Promote Future English Library. Learn, practice and sign with us. After learning nouns, pronouns and verbs, Maya is ready to paint her sentences with colors, size and feelings. This toy is just a toy? No, let's add some adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells what kind, which one, how many, and how much. In short, adjectives make nouns colorful and interesting. The red apple describes color. The big house describes size. The happy girl describes feeling. 3 tiny rabbits describes number plus size. My toy is soft. My dress is blue. My brother is tall. My home is beautiful. I am funny, fluffy rabbit. So remember, adjectives describes nouns or pronouns, making sentences colorful. Tomorrow, Maya will meet the words that show how, when, or where actions happens. It's called adverbs. Subscribe now and keep learning with joy.